Alex, I've never met your family. Do you have a big family?
Yes, I do. I have 2 twin brothers, a sister, a niece, a brother-in-law, and there's my mother and my father.
Tell me about your mom. Do you look like her?
Not at all. She's short and plump, has short brown hair, and big blue eyes. She's really beautiful.
What is she like?
She is kind and supportive and always gives us very good advice. She is always there for us. She loves flowers and is obsessed with gardening and being outdoors.
Is she a florist?
No, she's a seamstress.
Does she design clothing?
Sometimes. When we were younger, she would make outfits for us. My mom is a great cook, and family dinners were a must growing up. Even if that meant eating at 8 or 9 p.m. when my dad got home from work. It's where we did our family bonding.
That's very nice. How about your dad? Do you look like him?
Yes, I take after my dad in appearance and after my mom in personality. He is as tall as me, has gray hair, brown eyes, and a mustache.
What is he like?
He is pretty quiet. He doesn't talk very much. He's like that with everyone. He's really easygoing and informal. He is super patient and really likes people, but he just doesn't love talking to them all the time. He is definitely the introvert of the family.
I understand that. And what is his job?
He is a carpenter. He has his own workshop. He is creative and likes to build things, so it's perfect for him. And he likes working alone on most days.
Do your brothers help him with the workshop?
No, they didn't follow in his footsteps either.
What do they do now?
Keith is a real estate agent in Springboro, and Brian is finishing his law degree in Dayton.
Wow, good for them. Sounds like they've worked hard to be successful in life.
That's right.
How old are they?
They're 3 years older than me, so they're 25.
Did you get along with them when you were growing up?
We did, most of the time. They were my big brothers, so they liked to pick on me. But we had a lot of fun times together, too. We connected a lot over our love of movies and video games.
It seems your family is full of gamers. It's not just you.
That's right. We're all crazy about gaming.
Are they married now?
Brian is going to marry Molly next year. They were high school sweethearts. Keith is waiting for the right lady to come along. He has always been very picky about who he dates. He says that he wants to get married and have his own family, but he needs to find the perfect woman first.
Do you and your brothers look much alike?
Not at all. They are much taller than me, and they look more athletic because they work out all the time. They are brown-haired with blue eyes.
How about your sister? What does she look like?
She is shorter than me. She's the same height as my mom. They're both 160 centimeters tall. But she's thinner than my mom. She's blonde with blue eyes. We look very different.
What is she like?
Lindsay's the best. She's so cheerful and bright. So I really like spending time with her. She makes me feel cheerful too when we talk together. She's 5 years older than me, and she used to help me a lot with my homework and other school-related things.
That was very nice of her.
Yeah, I owe her so much.
What does Lindsay do for a living?
She's a kindergarten teacher. She loves it.
That's a great job.
Yes, it's perfect for her.
So you are the youngest of your siblings and Lindsay is the oldest.
Yes,
Does Lindsay get along with your brothers?
she does now. When they were younger, they drove her crazy. They would play pranks on her and annoy her all the time. But now, they get along really well.
And how old is your niece?
She's 5 years old. Her name is Maria. She is a cutie, and she's growing up so fast. She will talk your arm off. She has such a big vocabulary for such a small person.
I bet. I guess that's what happens when your mom is a kindergarten teacher.
Lindsay has always loved to read, and she has passed that love of books and words on to her daughter.
How about your brother-in-law? What kind of person is he?
Daniel is a very nice man. He's an extremely social, chatty guy. He's a police officer, and whenever he pays a visit, he comes up with some interesting real crime stories.
Being a police officer is really challenging.
Yes, it's challenging, but rewarding at the same time.
You are so lucky to have such a wonderful family, Alex. Thanks for telling me all these interesting details about them.
Would you like to come over and meet them next weekend?
I would love to. Thanks for inviting me.
Wonderful.